Hey friends, welcome here. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I'm here for you. The video in English. Today we are going to check your partner's current energies, their next move, and their current and hidden feelings for you, right? But before starting the reading, please keep it in mind this is general, so it may or may not resonate completely with you. So whatever resonate with you, keep it with you and leave the rest. Okay. And the next thing is this is timeless. So you can watch it anytime when you want. It resonate to you. Okay. So let's we check your partner's current energies, their feelings, their next move towards you, towards this relationship. Your first card is Queen of Cups, which is a beautiful card, which is very beautiful card, and it implies your partners love you too much. They are emotionally connected with you. They miss you. They love you. They want you back in their life. Okay. Your second card is Five of Swords. Maybe you or your partner have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag zodiac sign. And your next card is Nine of Swords. Again, Aries, Leo, Sag is very prominent here. So your partners are missing you. They want you back in their life. Maybe uh, in past you had to face a lots of dispute, quarrel, fight with your partner or with their families, due to which a separation phase came in your life, and you are separated. Maybe some of you are separated after marriage and some of you are separated at the time of your marriage because their family do not want you, they do not want you. Okay, so here is the separation phase. Some of you are already married with this person, and other, so you guys are separated. Sorry guys for the disturbance. So you guys are already separated with your partners, but now they are missing you. They are feeling you. They are missing the emotional and romantic moments with you, and they are waiting you. They want you in their life back. A major dispute in their mind, in their heart, is looking here. Okay, and let's we check what does angels want to tell you. Your first card is abundance. Angel is saying to you guys, abundance is coming in your life, whether it's from finance or whether it's from your partners, because they want you in their life back. Okay, and your next card is listen to your own intuition. That means your intuition is very high, your intuition skill is very high, so you should listen your intuition. Your intuition may be saying you, your partner wants to come back in your life. They want you back in their life and they are missing you. They are emotionally connected with you. Maybe some of you guys are in soulmate connection, in soulmate journey. So the next move is looking here like reconciliation. So let's we check more cards. Yeah, here is the possibility of reconciliation, and maybe in your relationship you are facing the problem, or you were facing the problem of in and out of your partners too much, and finally they left you and they chose any other person, or they were with their families. They left you, but now they want to come back in your life. They want to propose you, they want to reconcile with you, they want to tell you that how much they love you, and they have already understood their feelings, the importance of your connection, your importance in their life, and now they seriously want to come back in your life. Maybe they are also Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And the suggestion for you, the guidance for you, innocence. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys are too much innocent. You guys are too much innocent. But when your partner come in your life, so listen to your own intuition. Don't take any decision in hurry, and first check and understand what do their partner wants and how much they have changed, then take the decision of your life, right? And thunderbolt, if you guys are feeling so sad, if you guys are feeling too much disappointed, and if you guys are feeling like very low and very negative, then divine is saying to you, please be positive, please be assertive for your future, for with this partner, with this relationship. If you are in soulmate connection, then definitely they will reconcile with you. Even though they want to reconcile with you, they want you in their life back, they want to come back in your life. Like, see here, maybe your partner are Virgo, maybe your partners are Virgo, and this implies they are very sad, they are spiritually awakening, they are missing you, they want you in their life back, they want to come towards you. Maybe after some days, after some time, maybe at the end of this month, you will get message, text from this person. Okay, one more card. Judgment is here. Divine is giving you justice. If you guys are manifesting this relationship too much, if you guys are praying for your partners, if you guys want reconciliation, then judgment is coming. Divine blessings are with you. Divine is protecting to both of you. And very soon, reconciliation is possible in your connection. Some more cards. Be bold and make the first move. So sweet. So this is again the suggestion for you. If you guys are thinking about any move, any action, so take it. One more angel guidance. Romance. So a romance is coming in your life. Abundance is coming in your life. Maybe you guys are manifesting it for so long, but finally it is coming. Choose a new direction. Some of you need to choose a new direction. Some of you need to choose a new direction, because after choosing a new direction, maybe your past partner will come in your life, or maybe you will attract a new person who is very nice. Okay, so don't hold you, don't feel so negative. Take the first step if you are thinking about it, and be optimistic. Look towards your future, and you are ready. You are ready. Some of you guys are ready for reconciliation. Some of you are ready for the new connection, and you should be. It must be. Ordinariness. Maybe some of you are in soulmate connection, so your journey is quite unique, quite special. Divine is showing you the path, and you have to cover your journey by your own. You are waiting for your soulmate person so eagerly, and they are coming, because reconciliation is quite possible for you guys. If you are manifesting this, if you are hoping this, then it definitely occur. And for some of you, it will occur in at the end of this month, and for the maximum at the end of December. Your journey will improve, your partners will contact you, your partners will reconcile with you, and your situation, your life is going to improve. Too much good messages for you guys. The sun, ultimately the sun. You are getting what you are manifesting. Maybe some of you are facing the issue due to partners mothers, and some of you are already widow and already separated from your partners, and then you got a new one, and again facing the same phase, and pain. So now I want to tell you reconciliation is here. The person whom you want too much, he or she is coming towards you. He or she is looking towards you. Angels are balancing your relationship. Angels are with you. Angels giving you too much blessing and bless you. Angels are protecting to your relationship. Reconciliation is here finally. So this is the reading. This is collective reading, and I hope it resonate with you. If it really does, don't forget to thumbs up and share this in your group. Please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that when I upload my new video, you will get notification. Bye for now. For personal readings, you guys may contact my the description. Sorry, actually I have mentioned all the details in the description box. Bye for now. Have a good day.